Okay, everybody, welcome to week 9 of conditionals and for loops. Now, we are going to do a pretty long practice on all of these topics because the more you practice, the better you get at a certain programming language. So, what we're going to do is that you're going to hand in the work in this format. Now, you're going to create a new Java project, and this Java project can be called Week9 Practice if you want. Like, let's call it like this. And what I want you to do is to have the public static void main, and we're going to work with methods, okay? Remember that every single exercise is going to be a method, and it's going to be divided into a method. Now, I'm going to create a while true, so this loop actually gives me an infinite loop, so I can continue selecting different parts of the menu or the practice. The idea is that the user is prompted to select what exercise wants to do. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to ask uh, for the program to go to the menu or to the method menu, and the method menu has the following signature. The method menu, if you go right over here, this is something like this is the starter code for all of you. Now it's going to have the scanner reader, which I am going to read my option. Okay, so I create a scanner object. Then I'm going to create a menu with the 20 different exercises that you will have in this activity. So this is just the starter code. So we have, please select the Java program, 1 for positive or negative, 2 for quadratic, 3 for the greatest number, and so on and so forth. Then the user inputs the number, and then it's going to return, remember, this is the method signature. It has a return value. It will return option, and it will be stored right here. Okay? Now, here underneath this line of code, you will set all the conditions for it to go to exercise 1, to go to exercise 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay? So each method will be placed on the bottom as exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3, and what the program is going to do is this, that it's going to go and to each different exercise depending on what the user asks. Finally, create a last condition or a very final condition where the user pressing any number or pressing any another number, a certain word or a letter or a number, can actually break from the while loop and finish the complete program. Okay, so if that condition is met, the program will break and it will end.